Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome to is a week 49 of the market preview and review of last week's week 48 2023 market. So let's quickly just go into this video and just scan through what we have been looking through, right? So if you guys go watch this video, you guys will have a idea of what we've been seeing in the markets, right? So first of all, for gold, we have been stating that we are going to see much more of like a bullish move upwards. That was my bias for that for gold. Yeah, GBP USD, Euro USD as well. Let's just see what we had, because I think we had USD GBP as a sell overall for the week. Euro USD as an overall buy. Let's just see how the week ended. And I think we'll have to find a new solution to see how we're gonna track all of this. Let me first see this screen recording, because okay, it's recording the screen. Right. Euro USD, we're projecting buys for the whole week. Yes, we've been projecting buys. GBP USD projecting buys for the week. Let me just get my MT4 up and going. USD GBP have been projecting sells. Yes, projecting sells. Let's just see where this ended, right? So we had 4 pairs, right? We had 4 pairs: gold, GBP USD, USD, and USD JPY. We had 4 pairs analyzing for the week. And let me just quickly see how it went. Okay, this is how it went, guys. This is how it went. You see, GBP USD. Go watch the previous video, and you'll notice that this is what we had. GBP USD. Where is GBP USD? Yes, GBP USD. Where is it? Where is it? Somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around. Yeah, I'm looking for it. GBP USD. Right? This was what, Euro USD? No, these are GBP USD, guys. And look here. We were anticipating buys for the week. If you watch this video, it's just a previous video it's week 48 of the previous video, and you guys can get access to it. So if you guys watch it, you can watch it on YouTube, and always subscribe to the YouTube channel so you guys don't miss out on anything. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go into this week's analysis. I hope I do not take much time. How much time do we have left? I do not know. Maybe let's use like 5 to 10 minutes just to analyze and see. Okay, so where are we going to start now? Okay, we have seen that the market has been going bullish. It has been buying, creating all of these order blocks, right? Creating order blocks and order flow, creating order blocks and order flow. This was another order block, order flow. It became a breaker. So once it became a breaker, it came to test, and it came to test the source, including the breaker, which is just 1 in 2 in 1. So what we're looking for the week is the market to come down to these areas, to come test these areas of demand. We are seeing areas of demand right there, very delicious areas of demand that you've drawn out. If you don't know how we drew this, watch the previous video, and you guys can always go on Telegram and ask the admin to explain some things for you. We can freely explain things for you if we have time and if you are in queue. So we are looking at the market of GBP USD, and it's currently trading at demand. right? But then it has changed its momentum into bearish. Now we're into bearish order blocks here. So we're gonna change the color of the bearish order block to, let's say, purple. Let's use purple, guys. Let's use purple, right? I just like this color for some reason. So we are selling from this area, right? Let me just point it out with this line. This area right there, we are selling because now it has become area of supply and it has now been breaking all other areas of demand. We can go on the H1 and see clearly how this market has changed its momentum. So we can see momentum was changed here, broke structure right here. And then now we are seeing so many bearish movements. So this is our H4 zone, right? We are going to target at least area 1, 2, and 3, which we can target, right? Or you guys can use a full M pattern or M leg and put it on the neckline, and boom, you can see that we are going to go to our next target, which is like 200 pips away. I am going to swing this trade. I'm going to enter this trade, right? Maybe just right after this. Might even send a signal and just swing the whole trade and maybe the whole week, see where we're going to go. If you guys have to look on daily, you can see this is very much bearish. I don't think people have any reason to be buying this. We won't have any reason to be buying this because we're reacting from at least this point here. Oh, you can drag down and see that we are wicking off of this level here. Well, the closing of the bullish here and the opening of the bearish, which is and having a very strong significant control, and we have engulfing on these areas right here. So that is for Euro USD, and I am going to be selling after this. I'm going to be sending a signal, and if you guys don't are not on the signal group, do go and trade wise. Just search up trade wise 88838 on Telegram. Search, it's a public group. You'll get to it very quick. So let's go to USD, Euro USD. Right, so let's go to Euro USD. I think I want the other template that I've been using. I want the other template. Let's go to the H4. Okay, Euro USD. Oh my goodness, this guy is dropping, guys. Euro USD is dropping. So there is no safe haven for Euro USD. So let's look at our areas of demand. Our areas of demand would be these areas right here. This area right here. This area right here. So those are demand zones. So on the H4, we have broken down a significant key area of demand, right? And so what are we going to look at here is we are waiting for a retest, either retest to come up like this, and then we sell it. Those areas of demand. So how many pips are those when you're selling it? Because clearly we're in a downtrend currently here. We have broken the bearish movement because hey, we were going to we changed our momentum here, and then we finally made our last momentum shift right here. So from here, we could have taken an entry here this week because of Meridia stop that demand area, which turned into supply, and then this turned into supply, which is demand. This was demand as well. Now it's turning into supply. So waiting for a retest. We're just waiting for a week. If you get a week test on the H4, you can sell it on the H1 time frame. You get your entries on the 15-minute. And we go down to at least these areas of demand right here. So Euro USD, we are selling it for the week, and we are having our stop losses just above our long-term stop loss here at 1.087. Let's say 1.088 hundredths, right? Let's say here, right? If this is validate, if this breaks, guys, you wait for a retest and then you buy, right? But for now, we are selling. There's no reason you guys can tell me we are not selling this pair. So we can go to the next one. Guys, we're only looking at USD JPY, GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold. Those are the best moving pairs, I can tell you guys. And okay, let's go and see. Oh my goodness, look at gold. Look at gold. Gold did this today. Did gold do this today? Okay, gold open up with a gap and it was heavily buying. Okay, so what happens now? Gold. What is the demand area of gold? Here's the demand area. It broke the demand area on gold on H4. So guys, this is a sell. So we'll either wait for a retest and we sell down to our next demand areas, which are which one now? You can target this demand area right there. You can target this demand area right there. You can target that demand area, this demand area, right? You can target this demand area as well. This is also significant, but we are looking to come wreck all of these liquidity zones right here. So we are waiting for retest and we can sell gold, guys. Gold is a definite sell. And what our stop loss, because we need to use risk management and to calculate our risk, our stop loss is going to be 2050, at least 2050. If we hit 2050, we are waiting for a retest and buy. Otherwise, right now it's a retest and sell to the areas down below. So you guys have to find entries and see which entries are manageable for your account and for your risk appetite. And let us go into USD JPY. As I have said in the previous video, I think we said we're gonna sell, right? Yes. And as you guys can see, we had our demand, our supply zone right there. Let's go to USD JPY so you guys, I can show you guys that we meant to sell it. You see, this was USD JPY and this one is the one that I'm circled right here, guys. This is a blue box, right? If you guys can see, this area is very, very strong, but then it's much more likely to maybe pierce up, and then we could see some interesting formation of sellers. Yes, okay, that's enough said from what I said, and you guys can see. Can you not see what happened? And this chart is the 4H4, and does it not look similar? Does it not look similar to this? I mean, look at this. This is the same chart, and you guys can see zoomed in. And we have said that it's gonna sell at least all the way to the demand areas, right? To the demand areas. So the last demand areas that I was looking at is 147,400. Let's see where do we get 147,400. This is where price has gone below and below, right? But then now we are looking at price going up because what do we see? We see divergence. We see divergence, guys. We see divergence. So is this divergence ready to go? Yes, because we have formed our demand area already. So we are looking for prices to go up and test all of these equal highs. There are buy stops and sell stops. There are buy side liquidity resting above that area. So we have covered Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and USD JPY. So, but we didn't cover the stop loss for USD JPY. So our stop loss is right there. Once it pierces that level, guys, we are looking for retest and sales. This is, we do not have to complicate our analysis, but we need to always make sure that we have good opinions of the market. So I'll be sending you guys a trading view link so you guys can see the publish. I'll publish the what? I'll be publishing our trades that is screen sharing this. Okay, the trades that we want to be taking, let's say like USD, no, I want, yeah, let's go to USD JPY, right? Let's come up with an idea. Let's launch the trade chart. Let's launch the chart. You guys should make use of this YouTube video channel, and because I'll be posting a lot of dope things, a lot of education for you guys to see, even shorter videos so that you guys can have more time. I mean, so that, you know, I explain things in less time than I do as usual. So guys, this is what TradingView does. It records all of your previous things and you can, you know, cancel all of them. Okay, so let's use this. So what happened is we saw that this is divergence, right? And we have created our area of demand. So we have used our chart on MT4 to analyze, but then now we're gonna make it much more cleaner on trading view. So we wanting to buy, we put our stop loss here, because if it's stop loss there, it's clear that we're gonna sell. So we are gonna aim those equal highs, right? These are our equal highs right there. Now should I annotate them? Maybe so. So they are equal highs. Okay, if you guys have the videos of the three part of the free mentorship, you know that these are equal highs and they are fractal highs as well, right? If you don't have them, highlight your admin. They will help you. These are fractal highs, they're equal highs. If you guys do not know what fractal highs are, you are missing out on where to put your take profits and your stop. You take profit, your stop losses for buys and sells. So this is what we see, because even if you use trend lines, you put a trend line right there, you draw a trend line right there. You ask me, why do I draw it like that? Because I can see the trend line can also come from that side right there, right? But we don't use trend line, guys. Those trend lines for me is just confirmation that everybody is seeing what the bigger institutions are seeing, because the bigger institutions, they enter right there. Other people that are using breakout and confirmations enter right here or here. They are missing this whole move from the bottom using a trend line, because they need to make sure that the trend line is broken first, but as we enter before the trend line is broken, because we know where to look at. Okay, so this is what's going to happen, right? Probably, this is most probably what's going to happen. I am not a what guru. I'm not a mover of the market. I'm not a FX guru. I'm just someone that knows how to analyze the market. So here we're gonna go with USD JPY buy. So I have to write a few descriptions. USD JPY buy, use properties management, bullish trend emerging soon. Okay, this is just to give just so I can save it. Right, so we are going long. Now publish the idea, and we'll look at this a week after, or maybe on Saturday, Sunday, and use it as reference to analyze and to see what were the mistakes. But overall, what we have analyzed from last week in last week's video has played out. The sell for Swifty JPY has played out. The buy on gold has played out. Just watch the video of week 48. The sells, no, the buys on Euro USD from here until there has played out. But the buys on, it was on the H4, right? The buys on GBPUSD from there to there has played out. Go watch the video and learn something, and learn things that are here for free for you guys. So here's an example of what I'm going to be doing next week, right? So I'll do something like I publish, right? And most of the trades that I usually post out in the group are usually some trades that I post on my private thing. So look, I gave a signal on the group, right? And then this, I think, okay, that one was in a loss. Okay, that one was in a loss, and then we gave this one. This one, what happened? This one. I think this one sold, right? Yeah, this one sold, but it went for here. It went to go take out the SL, so it sold quite a bit. It sold quite a bit, and there was this one USD JPY. This one, I think this one sold dramatically. This one sold dramatically. See the SL wasn't hit, and then the targets were hit as well on this pair. So most of the trades here, they just went according to plan. So I want you guys to also have a trading view and practice doing this and watch your analysis after like 3 days, 4 days, and all of that. And this also played out just exactly from where we wanted to sell. So this is a great way for you guys to be analyzing, to increase your skills and all of that. So here we are, guys. This is what we're doing every single day without fail. How are you going to learn without practicing? You want to be food spoon fed. You're not gonna learn and grow unless you do the action, right? So yes, so I think that's all from our side, and there we go. I think I'm gonna be giving the signals. I don't think right now, not yet. Maybe tomorrow, because we have timings on when we give out the signals. So, anyways, do subscribe and do join. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Telegram groups, contact admin on Telegram, and make sure that you put in your queries of whatever you want. Anyways, happy trading and peace. Have the best trading week ahead.